I don't doubt for a second that there's people doubting you right now. People doubting the things you tell them, your dreams, your goals, the things that you believe you have the potential to do, your capabilities, the things that even if you've already proven to people that you have what it takes, they don't believe you. But you have to remember, people don't believe in you, not because of you, but because when you mention dreams, it sparks something in them. And if there's somebody who never chased the dream, that's a fire in them that's already went out. So it just brings up this fear inside of all these people. Brings up this fear of, well, I'm better than you. I didn't do it, so you surely can't do it. But we're not all built the same. And every person, including that person that's doubting you, had the potential. They had the capability, but they didn't. And the difference between you and them is that you are actually taking the steps forward. I like to say this, I say this all the time, nobody's gonna believe in you until you believe in yourself.